experienced engineers and teams to respond satisfaction of customers with quality and punctuality. Step 1. Installing slab formwork. Step 2. Installing side formwork. Step 3. Placing lower reinforcement. Step 4. Installing anti-bursting reinforcement. Step 5. Placing lower reinforcement in column. Step 6. Installing punching shear reinforcement. Step 7. Determining position and placement of bar shear by profile height. Step 8. Placing tendon and tied with bar shear. Step 9. Installing anchorage and grout vent. Step 10. Placing top reinforcement and extra reinforcement. Step 15. Stressing and measuring elongation. Step 16. Cutting strand end. Step 17. Filling socket with mortar. Step 18. Bleeding air for cleaning. Step 19.